This is BDB's data prep window, and we would be entering into a new data prep workspace. Once we click on new, we enter into a new workspace. Here we have to drag and drop base component for the data. We choose input data. For configuration, we choose MySQL as an input data. We can choose other third-party APIs and other sources as well. For the query service, I would choose my Hari monthly salary dataset. I'll go into the data preparation, choose my workflow name. So I would give my workflow name into it, and I would select my resource as demo, save it, and that's how it will load the data cleansing tool. So this is the data cleansing tool window. Here you can see that the data is coming up from the MySQL database. There are multiple columns and rows, and there are several data anomalies which are highlighted. So if we go to transform a particular column, I would choose the transform, and I would choose the column search and replace transform, where I would choose the operator as 0 and I would replace it with a male. So all the values in the gender column which are 0 will be replaced by the male. Here you can see it's replaced. Now I would choose the same for 1. I would go back again, search and replace operator as 1 and replace with female. So I'm typing it here and submitting it, and once it is done, you can see that in the column 1 is replaced by female. Now I would like to come back to another column. So next is our experience, where I can see some data anomalies, some negative values. For this, we would be needing to delete the rows with the negative values. So it's deleted here. Once I choose that particular transformation, now I would like to see the values rounded, so I would choose round value using flow mode, giving precision as 0 and submitting it. Once I do it, all the values are rounded off and have become the integer from the string value. Now I come back to the experience group. So what I would like to see here is concatenating years with the values. So I would go for concatenate with, use with, I'll give the value and suffix as years, and I would submit it. Once it's done, you can see that it has concatenated years with values. Now in the comment section, what I can see is some of the values are repeated. If I see this particular unit, that is relocating n and end, so I would like to remove the consecutive characters, separator as other and custom repeated character as and I would submit it. So it has trimmed that particular character. This is how we can do several kind of transformations. For one particular column, I can see the profile chart, the frequency of the data, the pattern of male, female, F, etc. I can also see it via info, the number of the count, the chart format. And now we would like to go back to our workspace once the cleansing is done. So this cleans data You can also receive a notification saying the data preparation execution preview processing is finished. I would like to see the data, so I go to data preview and see that all the changes and transformation that has been done are implemented here. My data is perfect now. I can put another output component, connect it, and save this data or put this data into Elastic, RDBMS, Cassandra, or your HDFS. So from here I can do this.